morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wahpinas.com, and we're gonna be doing a quick unboxing of the Marvel Avengers Infinity War Collectibles. So we've been able to complete it from Petron, ano? So how to get it? You can buy one for every 500 peso purchase of any fuel or lubricants from Petron. Each one costs 450 pesos. Which is relatively cheap considering, basa nyo, it's made of die-cast metal. It's not plastic, okay? Oh, of course there are plastic parts, but it's majority metal made. So there are 6 variations that you can buy: Hulk, Black Widow, Doctor Strange, Thor, Iron Man, and Captain America. So we'll be doing a very quick unboxing of this guy. So we'll start with the Hulk. The Hulk is a memo pad holder. Up. Yan, up. Let's adjust. Okay. So yan. Okay. Tingnan nyo kung para makita nyo kung gaano kalaki yung box. We'll be putting there. See? Yan. That's the next Infinity Quattro from Cloud Phone. It's a 6-inch phone. So yan, tingnan nyo. Okay? So we'll be opening Hulk now. So this is gonna be very quick. Okay. Alisin na natin kagad yung box. Okay. So that's the Hulk. Okay. So para mas malapit makita nyo. Hulk smash! Ganyan na ako. Okay. So may battery siya. Okay, I think it's the standard small batteries, ano. So when you press it down here, it will open the okay. Okay, lalabas yung mga papel. Tapos Hulk will stay. Okay. So yan si Hulk. I don't think it's movable. Medyo movable ng konti. Mabigat po siya. Okay? Yan. Okay, next one will be Black Widow. Okay? Si Black Widow, will open it up here. Okay, halos magkasinakil mo sila. Natatanggal yan, no? And you can move the arms a little bit. Yeah. Okay. So, Black Widow is, ano ba si Black Widow? USB hub. Okay. So, pag tinignan mo siya, okay, there are 3 ports sa likod for the USB. Okay, then the plug is down here. Okay. So, pwede mo siyang ilabas siya. May groove siya, may notch. So, plug it in. Okay, then you can charge. Okay. Move, boys. Okay, next, Doctor Strange. Okay. Si Doctor Strange electronic message board. Okay. Yan. May pen siyang kasama. May marker pen. Okay. Naiwan yung takip na yan. So, it's there. So, you put it there para tumayo. Okay. May pinipindot yan. So, yeah, there's also batteries. It comes with batteries when you buy it. So, yan. Pipindutin mo yan. Para magkaroon ng ilaw. So, you can write it, hello. So, hindi yata nakikita dahil maliwanag. So, yan, nakita niya. Hello. Okay, pero it glows. So, pang madilim siya. Okay? So, that's Doctor Strange. Okay. We'll put the pen back there. Oh, naka-upload na tayo. Mabilisan lang. Okay? Yan. Okay. So, next one is Thor multi-charger. Okay? Okay? So, close-up look ni Thor. Zoom na. Focus natin. Okay. So, bakal siya. Okay? So, dito nyo lalabas yung cords under. Okay? As you can see, there's the USB port. Yan. So you can put this in a plug or plug it into your laptop or a power bank. Okay. And then there's the two cords, since multi-charger siya, no? There's the two. Okay. It's a Android cable and an iPhone. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Okay. Next one will be Iron Man. It's a lamp. Okay. The lamp has two modes: white light and yellow light. Okay. So that's Iron Man. See? Okay. So may switch siya ng ilaw dito. Okay. So when you switch it on, oh, wala nang battery. Ayo, sorry, yeah. Narinig nyo, may nagagalit sa akin. You plug it in daw. Okay, I forgot. This is a USB. It needs to be powered by either power bank or your laptop. Okay. So, ayan siya. This is the yellow light. Diba? Oh, nakasaksak sa pa. And the white light. And then, okay, we'll put pa Iron Man here on top. Okay. We'll move it back a little so that you can see everything. Yan, okay. Okay ba? Ang ganda tingnan. And we'll be doing the last one, si Captain America Mobile Alert. Okay. Kaya, hirap magbukas po mga kaibigan. Wala nang space kaya I'm not showing you opening the boxes. Okay. So, this is Captain America. Steve Rogers to the rescue. Wala lang siyang shield. I don't know why. Okay? It's battery operated also, so may on-off doon. Okay? So, it's on. It's supposedly, if someone texts you or emails you while it's plugged in, it's supposed to light up. Okay? Kita nyo, may ilaw na siya ng pula. Okay? Move back. Move back. Ang bita si Captain America. Okay? Yeah. So, he's the leader of the Avengers. Ayan. No, it's Tony Stark. So, yan. Those are the 6 Petron collectibles. It's all made of die-cast. Tignan nyo kung gaano kalaki. It's almost as big as the phone. Okay? So, you can purchase it at any Petron participating stores from April 15 to May 15 yata. 450 each for every 500 peso purchase of any Petron lubricants. So that's it, guys. Let me know which one is your favorite, and you know, you might win some loot from us. It's a raffle. Go check out our Facebook page. Meron dun how to join the giveaways that we're doing. Pero we're not gonna be giving away the Petron collectibles. It's my collectibles. Okay, bye, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.